Review time, second house of the day. All right, this house is in Mounds View, 350,000, 4-bed, 3-bath. It's on just under a half acre. It's a little over 2,100 square feet. Let's see what this house has for us. It sounds, like there's been a couple updates done. I might like this one. Remember, if you haven't liked, subscribed, or shared, please do so. Helps the channel. Thanks. See you at the end when I give the review. Stick around. All right, it's got a nice sized yard. Like I said, it's on about 0.4 something acres. It's just under half an acre. This is the side entrance. Walk into a galley kitchen. Doesn't look bad, guys. Looks like it doesn't have central air, but that's not the end of the world. I like the wood floors. So the upstairs are up there next. All right, let's check out these 2 bedrooms first. Decent sized bedroom. That's the closet. Let's go in the bathroom. People don't care for windows in the bathrooms. It's not that big a deal. In fact, in this one, you kind of want one because there is no vent fan here. I tell you what, the price is certainly, in my opinion, a good price in this area. And we're traveling upstairs. Roof looks like it's in pretty good shape. I generally don't show the outside of the homes at all because I'm not too concerned with the outside. I kind of want to keep the identity incognito. I'm just more or less looking at the insides of the homes. Gotta like it. In some of these, the ceilings are really narrow because that angle right there. And I'm liking all the light coming in here. Carpet's in good shape. All right, let's go check the basement. Lots of basements in Minnesota. I heard in other states, basements aren't very common. Why don't you let me know in the comments if basements are common in your area. Again, newer carpet down here too. Looks really new actually. What's behind the curtain? Oh, a newer furnace. Yeah, lots of updates here, guys. I gotta think about the score a little bit, but I have a feeling this one's gonna score pretty high based on the price. All right, that's to conclude the walkthrough portion of this review. I'll catch you in a second here for review time. All right, it's score time. One house, everyone knows the rules. By now you should know my point system. It's just like Mr. Portnoy's from One Bite Pizza Reviews, 10 almost impossible to get. Same with a 1 for that matter. All right, so this house was pretty updated for the price point, and it's a good size. Layout is what it is. I'm going to give it a 7.4, and that's a wrap. Catch you the next one. Please like, subscribe, and share. And catch you the next video.